Hello everybody. Welcome to today's journey. We are in Cross Plains at a supper club called the Hilltop. Let's go check it out. So we came a little early and we are greeted with their cheeseball at the bar. So we're going to have a little sample. That cheeseball is really good. John's going to try to mimic it or find a recipe for it and make his own. Few different options if you want signature cocktails. Desserts look delicious. Hopefully they've got their bread pudding. John really likes that. So they brought bread to the table with some cinnamon butter. So we each got a salad and I chose French and ranch for my dressing. It does look delicious. Oh, look at what you got. Here's your shrimp and your pork chop. Ooh. Lynn got shrimp, I got prime rib, John got pork chop, and Brian got prime rib as well. So we were way too full to have any dessert today, but if you ever come to the Hilltop for dinner, check out their dessert menus. They're all homemade. And if any of this content has made you hungry for more, please consider subscribing to our channel so you can get information about our future videos. Thanks for joining today's journey.